doing this the other night.
I got to look like I got this fucker around the garage. I got this out of the garage on Saturday, Sunday morning, you know, bring it back over here. Where's fucking kid? I can't hear you. Right. I didn't put the choke on. Hey, what's this throttle thing through here, Dad? It like slips into the fucking gear. You ever notice that about this? Just real slight. When you first give it gas. It only does it once in a while.
Good. I'll show you. Well, I got some, he polished a part for me, but
Hey, can you weld? You can weld stainless, can't you?
oh yeah, you betcha.
Cause I got a crack in that fender, right at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Where nobody can see it, so don't make a difference if there's a bead on it or what. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Because it's right at the bottom of the fender. Nobody will ever see it. You know, Tom? Yep. But I can't put it back together. It's like crack.
Oh no, it'll just get worse.
Yeah, right. All right, we're gonna time this. I said 2 minutes. Oh, I got a flat spot on the tire.
I got a burnout. I couldn't get that fucking brake loose.
Oh, I remember that. Put some water out there. I'll take a turn at it. All right. Pour some more beer out there. When you see the record.
I tell you, it ain't gonna take much. Hey, please. yet.
Getting down the tread yet? I don't know.
Boy, after that one, boy, you sure would have thought it.
You want to try it now? Ooh, that fucker is hot. But imagine.
I'm surprised you did it that long, man.
You shouldn't have enough liquid down there. Well, more back.
We need something to block that front wheel a little bit.
Fucker went all the way down.
I know it, man. I was like, oh, the fucking spring broke.
I know. I thought, what the fuck, you know?
You know what I kept doing? The carb kept sucking my shorts in. Did you hear that?
Was it?
Yeah, the carb kept sucking my shorts in, and didn't you hear it like fumbling? That was the carb pulling my
That's probably
shorts
why I
in.
was smoking over here, man. I was running fucking rich from your goddamn pants.
Yeah,
Oh, is that what was making the smoke?
Yeah, it kept pulling my short in.
Oh, this motherfucker's gonna blow a foot of tire.
No, it was my fucking shorts getting pulled in the carburetor.
Oh, man, boy, I could feel the heat on my legs. You know?
That's looking pretty fried.
Yeah. Yeah, look at them pipes glowing.
That first one you did, that was a good one.
Look at it, it's got big separation.
As soon as you would get just a little bit of weight off the front tire, she was skid sitting, man.
moving.
No,
Did you see this crack right here,
starts
Richie?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what I was just checking out.
It goes all the way across, and the whole thumbnail fits right down in there.
Motherfucking time.
Hey, you got her done, boy. Man, I was wondering when that was gonna happen.
Jesus Christ. The fucking rubber was flying up in the air so high.
I didn't know it. I seen the first chunk go up in the air, and I pointed up. I go, oh, there goes a piece.
Look at all them pebbles. This is what they're talking about racetracks. They
Marbles.
have, ain't it?
This is what marbles are.
Yeah.
That motherfucker has some rubber on it now. You
Well,
underestimated
beat that
that
fucking
tire.
Well, I don't think you'll ever get that black mark out of this driveway.
It's all right. makes it more valuable to me.
That worked out. Well, I don't have to worry about popping the bead on the tube, on the tire. Wow, man.
What do you think about that, John? Shoot, skidderp.
Hey, look how it dug in that fucking driveway.
Oh, it did. It dug.
Look at it gouge concrete out.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Holy shitter, man. Oh, yeah, it took all
concrete was popping.
It took all the surface, all that concrete. Look at you're down to aggregate.
Larry going through all 4 gears.
Oh, Phil
Oh man, that worked out perfect too. Pop.
Ooh,
Yeah.
ooh, touch that son of a bitch.
Oh, I bet that whole
Touch
fucking
that center.
room is smoking.
That is fucking
Oh,
hot,
that,
man.
that's the rim. I bet that rim's hotter than the bastard.
Look at that. Look how it's stuck to my fingers. Just touching it.
Smoke's still coming off of it.
No, that was a good burnout there, man.
Oh, look at you got pebbles up on the back. Let them dry and then it'll just brush off, won't they?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hope you didn't suck any into your carburetors.
Wow.
It blew it right through, I guarantee you that.
If you fucking stalling me.
No, not one bit.
Get some of these pebbles up here on the top here, Bill, on the license plate and the seat and
I thought you
fender.
guys did that to yours.
No, I never did.
No, the damn thing kept running out of air. Woo! I tell you what, look at this pipe.
I know it.
Yeah, look at how purple and gold
That
that
fucker
is.
was hot, man. That's why I tried to shift into the second, then I missed the fucking gear.
Tom? Bill, ready for a beer?
Yes, sir.
Jeff?
Oh, sure, why not? Bill's got a shitload in the.
There's still some haze down the street.
You're gonna have to clean this bitch up. That's different rubber city, man.
That bitch is gonna need a hose tomorrow.
Wow, look at all the rubber under the fender limp. Underneath the
Just
fucking license plate, man. I just scrape it off.
Yeah, time to drink some more beer.